mis hermosas, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. As you guys could tell, I'm vlogging again for you guys. This time I'm just gonna be doing mainly like what you guys see in the background. So I'm gonna show you guys how redid my shelf that you guys always see when I'm filming, how I redecorated. I think it looks really good. I noticed that I didn't even do an intro, so I'm doing the intro right now because I went straight up to like how to decorate it. If you guys want to see how I decorated this, what you guys see in the background, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is how the shelves look right now. Yeah, I'm already getting bored how it looks, and I want to switch some things I do want to leave that I still like. These are the items that I'm thinking of probably using. So I just got this new plant, and then I have other stuff here that I probably am gonna use to replace some of the things right here because I don't know, I don't like it no more. So I'm gonna be doing that. So let me see what I want to remove. For sure I want to remove this. Oh my god, I hate this. I'm basically gonna remove everything, clean it, and then I'll see how I want to start putting stuff. I think that's the first thing I'm gonna do because it's super dirty. I haven't cleaned these shelves in a while, so let me do that. So now this is how it looks, empty, all clean. I do have, that's for my internet box. I have it there because it has to be connected somewhere there. So for the top shelf, because this one it shows in my videos but not as much, there what I want to put, I think I'm gonna put these baskets there, and these are from IKEA. So I think these are the ones I'm gonna put here in the corner. And then I know for sure I want this plant up there. I want it to be the highest point. So somewhere here. Let me just... By the way guys, this pot, it was just like the pot, like that color, and then I just put white paint around it. And I just think it gives it like a little, you know, design. So it doesn't look that bad. So it's kind of hard for me to film from here. So basically it looks kind of still empty. When you're decorating shelves, a tip I could give you guys is that you want to have different heights. So basically, like, you know, lower to higher to lower. That way it kind of doesn't, everything just doesn't go straight together. It just looks more appealing, but there's different heights. So by me placing this plant right now, it's kind of low, and then those are kind of a little bit high. I wish they were a little bit taller, but that's fine. So then I still feel like it's missing something in the middle here. Thinking maybe putting this book, because it is a plant book. I don't know about the color, it is green, but you know, we could probably do that for now. So just put this book here. And then it still, see how it still looks kind of empty, so I'm still gonna put something here. So I'm just gonna use this right for now. This is the one that I used to have here on top of the magazine, so that doesn't look that bad. Maybe eventually I'll try to like maybe go to like a Goodwill or a thrift store and find something different that I could put here, or like a different book, but for now that's good. So I think the top shelf, it's good. So now let's move on to the second shelf. This one is gonna stay almost the same as how I had it before because I did like that setup. I'm just gonna change it up a little bit. So what I used to have there, I used to have this, which this one is a fake planter. It's not real. I actually need to clean it because I could tell it's dusty. Ooh, this looks cute like that. Isn't that cute? This gives me an idea to like take a picture like that. That looks so cute. Okay, so this planter right here is fake, and I got it maybe like Marshalls or Home Goods. It's super old, but I'm pretty sure Home Goods has a lot of them. And then I have this camera here. This is also from probably Home Goods. Yeah, pretty sure it's Home Goods. So this is the shelf that every time when I'm filming, the one that you guys always see. Oh my god, seriously, this looks so pretty. Like, this is just giving like a lot of ideas to take a picture. Anyways, and guys, don't mind the noise. You guys know every vlog I tell you there's always gonna be noise no matter what. Sorry. But anyways, this is the shelf that you guys usually, like the one in the middle that you guys always see in my background, the more visual to you guys. You guys don't really see like these, the top or the bottom ones. So this one is the one that I like to make it as nicer as I can. I know probably it'll be nicer to put this plant here, but honestly I kind of like how it looks like, you know, it's hanging that way, if that makes sense. So I like the camera because, you know, like a filming, stuff like that. So that looks cute. I also had this frame before, and this frame is actually from the dollar store. I just spray painted it gold. I'm gonna put it for now just as you guys could see, but I think for sure I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna try to go to, like I said, Goodwill or thrift store and try to buy like a vintage frame, try to find one, and even maybe changing the picture of it. But just for the purpose right now of me redecorating and like this video, I'm just gonna show you guys how like that looks. So I kind of like that. I know right now you can see like the shadow of my softballs because it's kind of dark outside right now, so I needed to turn them on. But yeah, so that looks all right. I still feel like it's missing something. I don't know what else. I have other stuff that I put here that I'm like, oh, I was thinking of putting this one, but I don't want to put too much black, so I think I'm not gonna put that. Oh, I have this plant that I'm trying to save. I basically put it in water and I'm trying to make it still come alive because it was dying on me. So I think I'm gonna put that here, so that way I have another plant, you know. That kind of looks cute. See, so you guys just have to play with like where to place something, you know. I know I'm putting like a lot of like, oh, plants and stuff like that. This time that I'm decorating, I really want that look. I want a lot of greenery. I want a lot of plants. I can't even speak because lately that's what I've been going lately that's what I've been getting into. Oh my god, what is wrong with me today? Seriously. Okay, so that's not bad. So far this is what we're working with. I think that looks all right. Okay, so now this one you hardly see when I'm filming, so it doesn't really bother me if it's not like so cute, but I still want it to look somewhat decent. So this one I am pretty sure it's gonna leave it almost the same as I used to be. I am gonna put these flowers back. I know usually they tell you to not put like too many like on a row like that, a lot of flowers or plants, whatever I'm doing, but you know what, I don't care because it's different, you know. This is greenery, these are like fake roses, so it's okay. I also had my Gucci bag before where my purse came, but now I don't want to put that one. I'm just gonna put the box instead. Just put it right there. I don't know, you guys let me know how you guys think about this shelf. Does it look too plain? And the bottom shelf, I'm gonna leave it empty as it is for now because eventually I want to probably buy a basket. That way I could, like, you know, things that I don't want to have outside, I could just put them there, like cables or stuff that I use for my equipment when I'm filming. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. And like I said, the bottom one you guys don't even see it, so it doesn't even matter if I put something or not. But so far this is how it looks. I'm just still iffy about this one. I didn't know what to put there. The thing was throwing me off is the Gucci box because it is black and white, and I basically don't really have anything black over here. So I think that might change a little bit too. So for now I'm gonna put back the flowers because I just like the tones. Because see, these are the tones that go together, even goes with the candle. So maybe I'm gonna have to buy like a bigger box or something there. Oh, what if I put my Buddha? That actually doesn't look bad. I don't know, what do you guys think? So that's what I'm gonna have you guys help me with that. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Should we keep the Buddha? Should we keep the Gucci box? Should we just end up buying something totally different on this side? Maybe something like a little bit brown. You know, like another box, but like a brown one. Something tall. Let me know in the comments below, because I don't know. I don't know, it looks basic to me. So just so you guys could have an overview how it looks now. I hope you guys like this vlog. I like to show you guys every time I'm doing something different in my apartment. Oh, that looks so good in the background. Doesn't that look so nice? I don't know about this right here, so let me know what you guys think. See, like now you guys have an idea when I'm filming. This is what you guys are gonna probably see. But this one in the middle, that looks good. I like that. So if you guys like this vlog, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you guys haven't subscribed yet. And also let me know in the comments what you guys thought, and help me with that third shelf. Let me know what you guys think I should put there. I'm probably, like I said, gonna go to a thrift store and more stuff that maybe I could put in there. Maybe you guys will see that in my next videos, but I just wanted to show you guys right now, because I mean, I honestly wanted to do this already. Like, I didn't want to wait to go to the store and buy stuff, so I was like, I'm just gonna do it right now, and I'll just film it for you guys so you guys can see what I'm doing. But let me know in the comments below what you guys thought. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye, my loves.